In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Bybit to Notcoin. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and search for the Notcoin bot. Now, and then here, go ahead and click on the Open App button to be able to open the Notcoin app on a browser on Telegram. So this will redirect you to the Notcoin homepage. And here, go ahead and click on the Connect Wallet button at the top left corner of your screen. And this will allow you to select from all of the available cryptocurrency wallet applications in this list from Tonkeeper, MyTon Wallet, TonHub, the wallet. Scroll right and you'll be able to view all wallets. So go ahead and click on the Bybit wallet, since what we want to do in here is to link the Bybit wallet to your Notcoin account. Once you click on the Bybit wallet, you'll get redirected to the Bybit app. On the Bybit app, you'll need to authorize the connection between Notcoin and your Bybit wallet. So make sure to authorize the connection. After that, your Bybit wallet will be connected to your Notcoin account, and you'll be able to find your account number at the top left of your screen. And that's how you can simply link Bybit to Notcoin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.